Greetings, everyone. Today, we embark on a remarkable journey together, a journey tracing the path of 3.9 million tons of pineapples harvested across various lands of Asia. Have you ever wondered how much effort goes into each ripe pineapple that ends up on your table? All thanks to the hard work of dedicated farmers. Join me as we dive into the captivating stories from pineapple fields in Thailand, the Philippines, Vietnam, and other Asian countries, to see how each pineapple is not merely a tropical fruit. It symbolizes labor, perseverance, and the sweat of diligent farmers, from nurturing each budding sprout to the first fruits ripening under the sun. Every step is a masterpiece of dedication and skill. We'll explore each phase, from vast green fields to large-scale harvests, and finally, to the most advanced technologies being applied to boost productivity. Through this, I believe you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the fascinating pineapple industry and come to value each pineapple product on the global market even more. Looking back in time, pineapples have not only been a familiar fruit, but also a vital part of the economy for many Asian nations. For centuries, pineapples have been grown in tropical regions, serving as the primary source of income for millions of farmers. Today, when we speak of pineapples, we refer not just to a fruit but to a global value chain in which Asian farmers play a key role. In Thailand, pineapples hold a unique place in export agriculture, generating millions of USD annually. Similarly, in the Philippines and Vietnam, pineapple cultivation has become a staple crop, providing livelihoods for millions. This demonstrates that pineapples are more than just an agricultural commodity. They are a symbol of Asian agricultural culture and economy. Did you know that each golden, sweet, juicy pineapple undergoes an extensive cultivation process to reach its peak ripeness? From tropical lands in Thailand to the mountainous regions of the Philippines, pineapples are meticulously nurtured with the care and attention of the farmers. Not every soil type is suitable for pineapple cultivation. Each region requires specific care techniques for optimal growth. In recent years, with the advancement of agricultural technology and knowledge, pineapple growers have discovered new methods to improve yield. In many areas, farmers are experimenting with organic cultivation methods, avoiding pesticides and chemical fertilizers to create cleaner, eco-friendly produce. This approach not only enhances soil health but also makes the pineapple sweeter and richer in flavor. Growing pineapples demands patience and resilience in facing harsh weather conditions. Many pineapple growing regions in Asia frequently encounter storms or droughts. During such times, farmers must find ways to protect their crops, using techniques like shading, irrigation, and organic fertilizers to increase their resilience. In Vietnam especially, farmers have developed an innovative method of intercropping pineapples with grasses to retain soil moisture. An economical and eco-friendly initiative. Every ripe pineapple holds within it the labor and diligence of farmers. They continuously research, experiment, and innovate to cultivate the best farming practices. Through this journey of cultivation and care, we can sense the farmers' profound connection with pineapples, a deep passion for their craft that not every profession shares. When harvest season arrives, the atmosphere in the pineapple fields becomes livelier than ever. This is the time when thousands of farmers are busy preparing for the crucial stage, harvesting. The pineapple harvesting process goes beyond just cutting and gathering fruits. It also involves meticulous inspection to ensure the highest quality of each pineapple. First, farmers carefully select pineapples that have reached ideal ripeness. with the perfect balance of sweetness and aroma. The ripe fruits are then delicately picked to avoid bruising and promptly transported to packaging facilities. In large farms, the pineapple harvesting process has been mechanized with machinery, speeding up the process and reducing manual labor. However, in many other regions, especially on smaller farms, this process is still carried out entirely by hand, as farmers believe their precision and patience guarantee each pineapple's quality. Technology has significantly enhanced the efficiency of pineapple harvesting. Modern machinery, such as automated harvesters and sorting machines, categorizes pineapples based on size and ripeness, greatly reducing labor. In some countries, like Thailand and the Philippines, drones are employed to monitor crop conditions from above, ensuring no part of the field is overlooked. With the support of technology, pineapple harvesting in Asia is becoming increasingly professional and efficient, delivering the freshest products to consumers worldwide. Thank you for watching our entire video. If you like it, please give us a like, a comment and a channel subscription to support us. Good luck.